If you're running into a Figma payment error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your subscription working again. This is especially helpful if your card keeps getting declined, checkout won't load properly, or Figma is showing a billing issue that seems confusing at first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and productivity tips. Alright, let's start with the first thing you should try. Clear your browser data. A lot of payment issues happen because of old cache files or cookies that are interfering with the checkout page. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear your cache and cookies. If you want a faster test, open Figma in an Incognito window or try a completely different browser. This helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your browser itself or from something else. Next, disable any network blocks. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off before trying the payment again. Payment gateways often block or reject transactions when a VPN is active because it can make your location look different from your billing details. So if Figma isn't accepting your payment, disconnect from the VPN, disable any proxy service, refresh the page, and then try again. Now let's check your bank permissions, because this is one of the most common reasons for payment failures. Contact your bank and confirm that your card is enabled for online transactions and international purchases. Some banks block those by default, especially for subscription services or foreign payment processors. If your bank has these restrictions turned on, ask them to allow those transactions, then try the payment again in Figma. If you're still getting an error, the issue may be related to currency or region settings. This is especially common if your billing address currency isn't supported on an existing subscription. In that case, the best fix is to create a new team in Figma and choose the correct currency during checkout. Once the new team is set up properly, you can move your files over and continue from there. This can resolve billing mismatches that happen when an old subscription is tied to the wrong region or currency. So to recap, first clear your browser data or test with Incognito. Then disable VPN or proxy services. Then check with your bank that online and international payments are allowed. And finally fix any currency or region mismatch by using a new team and the correct billing setup. One of these steps usually solves the Figma payment error. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That support really helps, and it also tells me to keep making more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.